Hello traders. Today is the 30th of March 2011, and a happy trading to you all. This is the Asia session, very early in London right now. Okay, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. Okay, for those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS 008 traders. Our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. Okay, we want to look at the Apple stock. Okay, one of the leader in the market. Okay, so let's get started now. Okay, this is the monthly chart of Apple stock. Okay, Apple computers with excellent products. The iPad number 2 has been released. Okay, excellent product. But looking at this monthly chart. Okay, what do we see? We see that the price was in a channel here. Okay, so you see this point here. Okay, these very important levels here. Okay, that was in 2005. Okay, and then we have another level here that was in 2007. Okay, and now from 2007 to 2009 the price went down, creating this channel here. As soon as we have this point and this point here, we can perfectly draw what I call the trajectory. Okay, the price path here. Okay, you can see here this trend line here. We can perfectly draw this trend line here. Okay, so these two levels are very important levels. Okay, we cannot forget these important levels here. The levels that I'm talking about is in the region of 100, and this level here at a 200. Okay, so be very careful at the level of 100 and 200. Now we have crossed the 300 levels. Okay, so this is the level of 300. So these are very important levels when you are trading Apple stock. Pay attention to 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Okay, this is the pattern of this Apple stock. Okay, and then the price, as you can see, as soon as it hit this level here, we can perfectly draw our trend line, and the price retraces back down here. Okay, but then before that, the price pull back here. Okay, it pulled back. We have a pullback here, and then we have a second pullback here. After we have these two pullback here, we can perfectly draw our line here. You see, so at this point in time we have this top channel here. Okay, where the price was riding within it. You see, was inside this top channel here, and then the price try to cross below the channel. Okay, as soon as the price cross below the channel, we project the top channel to the other side, equal measure. Okay, this is what we call equal measure trading with the channel. Okay, as soon as the price cross out of one channel, you project the channel to the other side. You can perfectly use this strategy for day trading and also for swing trading. Okay, excellent and powerful trading method. This is what I call the stable data in the market. The projection of the channel with equal measure is another stable data in the market. Elliott wave theory is another stable data in the market. The Fibonacci is retracement, a Fibonacci projection, Fibonacci retracement. All these are stable data in the market, and also the projection on the channel when the price is riding the channel. Okay, this is one sentiment of the market. It's a one momentum. Okay, of the market, and as soon as the price switch a channel, we will project the previous channel to the other side. Okay, you see how we respected it here. So if you knew this strategy here at this point in time, as soon as you see the price break with this nice monthly candle, break it properly here, you will quickly project it to this side, waiting for it to hit it here. Okay, that's what's happened here. The professional knew that the price will definitely find a support in this zone here. Okay, and they were all watching. You see the huge volume here, huge volume. The highest volume in this zone here in 2009, and they bought it here. Boom, the price went up. Okay, and the price crossed back again in the middle of this bigger channel here. Okay, and it tried to retest it many times here. You see, for 4 months. The price was stuck in this zone here where people were loading it, okay, and it went back quickly to the other side, okay, and people sold it very fast because they don't want to lose their profit. Bring it back exactly here, you see, touch it here, boom, again, and now we cross it, okay. There is a question mark here regarding this stock, okay. You see the volume here, you see the volume is going down, okay. There is not much interest to buy as it was in this zone here. You see how the volume was rising in this session here, creating excellent demand for this powerful stock. Yes, Apple has created excellent product, but there is something very important that for the investor is what we call the value and the volatility. These two words, never ever forget these two words, value and volatility, okay. Now if you want to buy excellent value, okay, even though if you're going to buy something that is excellent quality, you still think of the value, okay, the best price to buy Apple stock, okay. Right now Apple stock can perfectly be come back nicely if he come to this level here. Smart investor will be willing to buy it, okay. If even dare to come here, that will be excellent place for everybody to load it big time, okay. So right here is very expensive right now, okay. So those who are making money in this stock will decide to take a bit of profit, okay. But what we need to pay attention to is the price coming back into the channel. If we see the price coming back into the channel, that will be bearish. You see this candle here. This is the month of March. We will wait another 2 days more, today and tomorrow, and we will pay attention to this candle here. Friday will be very interesting day to watch carefully this Apple stock to know exactly where the smart money want to bring this Apple stock. Are they going to bring it up? If they bring it up to the other side, we will project this big channel from here to here to the other side, but also we will divide it also here. So what we will do, if Apple stock find a support in this zone and continue the movement to the upside after Friday, so we will pay attention this Friday, okay, and also Monday. By Tuesday we will know for sure whether this Apple stock will continue the movement to the upside or will return back inside the channel. So as I'm talking to you now, we can perfectly do that exercise now, okay. Bear with me as I'm trying to what we can do, we can perfectly start drawing our channel now, okay. Okay, so this is a very easy charting software, so be very patient with me as I'm trying to play with this, okay. That's it, okay. Now and then we have our channel again here, okay. Bear with me please. That's it. As you can see now, I projected the previous channel, this channel, to the other side, okay. So I have this line on my chart, I don't have to remove it, okay. And in the price, this is the next target level for the price if the price continue the movement to the upside. But if it fell, it will return back inside the channel. My view is that Apple stock has a high probability to return back inside the channel, but that remain to be seen, okay. So this is how you can project the channel to the other side, okay. If you come to this zone here, I mean on the edge of the new channel, okay, we will be looking for opportunity to sell in that zone. So this is what we see on the monthly chart. You can see that the price was rising nicely, but the volume was decreasing nicely here, okay. The smart money is not supporting the price at this point in time until will the price come back to what we call the best value. Then the smart money will take part into this, okay. This is what we see, okay, on the monthly chart of Apple stock. The point I want to make in this video is that if you are swing trading, okay, or even if you are day trading, there are indicators in the market that you must pay attention to. Okay, you must pay attention to the Apple stock and the Google stock. These are the leaders in the market, okay. If Apple and Google's are going up, the general market has a higher probability to go up, okay. So if you trade E-mini, you trade the QQQ, you trade the stock, okay, you must pay attention constantly to Apple and Google, okay. So every time you are about to trade, you pay attention to Apple and Google and check, are they going up, are they going down? Okay, if both Apple and Google are going down, you are busy looking for excellent candidate to sell big time using the TSTWS or S08 trading system. Okay, and if you see that Apple and Google are about to go up, you are busy looking for excellent candidate to buy to the upside. Okay, right now you can see that this stock is in a very critical point. Okay, this is not the best time to swing trade, but you wait for Apple to give you direction before you swing trade, because if the market is at a critical point, if Apple is at a critical point, if Google is at a very critical point, you must wait for them because they are the leader in the market before you are swing trading, because you are trading first the market, which is represented by the S&P 500, okay, or the Dow Jones, okay, and then you pay attention to the leaders in the market, which are Apple, Google, okay, and also ExxonMobil. Very important. There are other indicators in the market, which is the Euro USD and the USD yen. Very important. Okay, you can perfectly disregard this indicator and pay attention to the Euro USD and the crude oil and the USD yen, plus the Apple and Google, and you will be perfectly navigating this messy market. Okay, looking at the weekly chart of this Apple stock, this is what we see. We can see clearly here that on this weekly chart, that's how you do your technical analysis. The price is in a rising channel. Okay, that's what we see on this weekly chart. Okay, it's perfectly gorgeous channel here. As you can see, we are in the middle. We are the edge of the middle line of this gorgeous channel for this excellent momentum stock, the Apple stock. Okay, so we move from the monthly chart. We are looking at the same financial instrument from a different angle, or in different dimension. Okay, because people get confused a bit when they are looking at the chart. They look at 1 minute, they look at 5 minutes, and they are making decisions according to what they see in one particular time frame, but they forget that they are looking at the same thing in a different dimension. Very important. Okay, now we can see again that the volume is clearly down. If you look at it at the weekly chart here, okay, Apple is in the middle, on the edge of the middle, the median line of this gorgeous rising channel. The momentum is up. When you are looking at channel, you are paying attention to the slope of the channel, very important, and you are paying attention also to the price, comparing the price to the median line. The median line of the channel is a very powerful indicator that you can perfectly pay attention to. Okay, if the price is on the upper side of the rising channel, that's extremely bullish. Okay, and if you return to the lower part of the rising channel, that's bullish, but that's a weakness in the bullish, but still bullish. Okay, when you pop out of the channel, do not sell. You see here, it pop out, do not sell. Okay, here you see it pop out, do not sell. If it pop out, let it pop out properly and come back and retest it. And if you retest it and fail right there, which means the price find a resistance right there, and you see with your two eyes wide open without blinking, going back down, that's when you sell. I repeat again, people get into trouble all the time. As soon as they see the price come out of the channel, they start selling. Okay, do not be aggressive trader, be a patient trader. Okay, so when you see it coming out of the channel as it did here, you will not sell, you wait, you keep watching it. Okay, you put it on your watch list. Okay, and then you will go down. Okay, which means we want to see going down, which means more people, we see that the bearish pressure is quite strong. Okay, you want to see the bearish pressure strong because you are coming out of a bullish momentum. The bull are still around. Okay, they can come back anytime and take control. That's what they did here. It went out, they came back and took control and bring it back inside. Here it came out, the bull took control again and bring it back inside. So if you want to sell, okay, you want it to come down nicely down, which means the bull giving up completely, and then the bull try to bring it inside the channel. And if they fail to bring it inside the channel, which means the price hitting the edge of the rising channel, and you see now the price start going down, that's when you will sell. A simple trading method. Okay, now I want to show you something very important on the daily chart of Apple, because we are at a very important level for this Apple stock, and we must monitor carefully what is happening for this Apple stock. On this daily chart of this gorgeous Apple stock, okay, we can see that the price was first in this. You can see if you pay attention carefully. My apology, okay, if you are very tolerant to me, I will finish this soon. Okay, I like to draw my channel by my hand, nothing to worry about. Okay, I like to draw it like this. Okay, so the first momentum was quite steep. You can see that very fast. Okay, and the price came out of the channel here. You see, came out of the channel. It tried to go inside, fell here. People sold it, but they bought it again. It's possible. That's what people get into trouble with, because when they see the price going down, they sell. They forget that when the price is going down, the price is looking for a better support level, and he found it right there. There is a support here. Anytime you are trading, look on your left hand side. Very important. Anytime you want to buy, you look on your left hand side to locate the nearest, okay, resistance level. Because you want to buy, you look on your left hand side. It's like driving, okay. Pay attention, okay, very important, okay. And then again, if you are selling, you look on your left hand side, the nearest support level here. These people who are selling here, if they forget that there is a support level here and they disregard completely this support level, they will be taken out, okay. The TSTWSY08 is the excellent tool for swing trading and day trading, okay. Right now, again, the price went up. You see, it tried to go back inside, was riding, couldn't. You see, it was just coming near it, only to come back down again and find again a support in this zone again. Okay. Now again, it tried to go up here, and something is stopping the price. Can you see that? Something all the time is stopping the price here. The price is not getting back into this momentum, which means, okay, the enthusiasm, the momentum is representing enthusiasm. The enthusiasm to buy Apple is going down. People are not as much enthusiastic to buy it, which means the value is kicking in. What we are talking, the volatility and the value. This is the key for trading. So traders want to buy because Apple is excellent stock. If they want to buy, they don't want to buy anyhow, anywhere. They want to buy excellent value. So there is a kind of rejection going on in this zone. Now, I'm not making this up. I can see clearly here. Rejection here went down. Find the support. There is a support here at this level of a 340. Clearly support at 340. But there is a rejection all the time at 360. Okay, so now went down again, even break this 340. It failed for the first time to find a support at 340 here. We cannot ignore that, okay. So the price is perfectly in a channel again here, okay. If you pay attention, okay, there's a channel, a new channel being formed right now for this gorgeous Apple stock, you see. And the slope of the channel is bearish. Can you see that? I can draw the middle line of this channel for you, so you know exactly what I'm talking about here. Okay, now this is not very okay. Move it a bit. That's it. Excellent. Now you can see the channel, the new channel that I draw here is going down. Can you see that? It's going down. For now, it's going down. Okay, we can't deny that. You just need to keep your eyes open, and the volume is going down. It does not mean that you just go and sell anyhow. You must wait for the time to sell and the place to sell. This is the key for successful trading. You can give to two traders the same trading system, but you will see that these traders, okay, will have different results. The difference will come from the time they enter the trade and the place where they enter the trade. But right now, Apple is at the edge of our new channel right here. So we must be very careful. As you can see, it hit this level, went up, hit here, come back down, hit it here. Now it hit it here, try to go down. But the point I want to make to you, if you look back again to the monthly chart of this gorgeous Apple stock, okay, we can see that in 2 days time, because today is the 30th of March, okay, the market will respect the the monthly candle, okay, they will not jump and make a decision. Or if they are about to sell Apple, a lot of new traders get into trouble. They want to sell and they will start selling before the smart money. Do not do that. If the smart money want to sell Apple, they wait for this monthly candle to finish first. So we are 30th of March today. They wait until the end of the 31st. So 31st is finished. We look at the 1st of April, okay? The 1st of April happened to be on Friday. In this case, in my strategy, I'll wait till next Tuesday, okay? Because Monday the market will try to reset itself, okay? So if you are trading, we are paying attention to Apple to know that Apple now, as you can see on the daily chart, is a very critical point. So if you are swing trading or you are trading, you know that Apple is a very important levels. You will be very, very cautious in your decision. You won't be too excited to be looking for candidate to buy when Apple is testing the edge of this zone here. But at this point in time, as you hit it and you see it turning around here, you will be busy looking for candidate to buy because Apple is in this zone. So if you see Apple or Google at the same time doing the same thing like this, at the edge of this channel here turning around, you will be busy. That's why the whole market recently was going up. Now you understand why the whole market recently was going up. You see the S&P 500 going up, Dow Jones going up, is because Apple was going up. Google was going up, you see. So when they were going down here, the market was going down. When they were going up, the market is going up. Now we are at a very important level here. So here you pause again. You do not just jump into doing your own thing. So you can perfectly have the TSTWSY08, but you must combine that with the best attitude of trading. That's what I'm talking about. The mindset of a professional traders. Okay, learning to trade like a professional trader, developing that ability, it comes with practice. Okay, and the video that we posted, okay, our new website, they are very important video to show you how you progress, okay, in building this mindset of a professional trader. Okay, and also looking at the volume here, you can see that there is a huge volume, a huge demand for Apple in this zone here. Okay, this zone here, that's what the volume is telling you. In this point in time, there was a huge demand. There are people willing to buy Apple in this zone here, and they did exactly the same thing here, you see. But here, when the price came back to retest the same level, look at the volume. It's not quite huge like it was here, but there is definitely people buying in this zone here. Okay, but at the edge we see a new channel being formed here. So what is going to happen now? If today, which is the 30th of March, we wait for New York to open. As always, pay attention to the opening bell, okay? And we see Apple going down, or the TSTW24 give us a sell signal, or the TSTWSY08 give us a sell signal. We will take it because we know that Apple is at a very important level, okay? At this point in time, if the TSTW24 or the TSTWSY08 give us a buy signal, we will be very enthusiastic to take it because we know that we are a very important level, okay? So this is how you will trade. So to summarize, you want to trade stocks, okay? You must pay attention to Apple and to Google. So every day you pay attention to Google and to Apple. You do the technical analysis from the monthly, weekly, and to the daily, okay, to know exactly where we are. If they are very critical point like here, you don't do your own thing. You wait for a direction, okay? This is very, very important. And the same thing when Apple and Google are at a very important Fibonacci retracement level, which we call a stable data in the market. These are leaders in the market. This is a stable data in the market. If the leaders reach a very important Fibonacci retracement level like 78%, you do not just go and do your swing trading anyhow. So you need to trade the market first, okay? And then you pay attention to the leaders in the market. Another thing that you need to pay attention to is the economy news. Very, very important, okay? So a lot of traders can perfectly trade, like I'll show you now, and you can realize the mistake that you are making, okay? Can perfectly trade. That's why sometimes they make money. If you can make money someday, it means that you are capable to make money. It's as simple. So if you have been trading and you make money someday, you make money someday, and you give back, you prove to yourself that you can make money. That's why you are still in the market. But the reason why you are giving it back, because you are not paying attention to few things. That's so the day you give back, you should pay attention to what went wrong. Either you failed to pay attention to the economy news, or you were a bit stubborn or arrogant and too proud doing your own thing, or you failed to apply one stable data in the market. So this is it, to build the mindset of a professional trader. I hope you enjoyed this video about technical analysis of Apple stock, that you will come and join us and become also the TSTW S08 traders. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon.